Hello students, welcome back in your English class. I hope you all are well. In today's English class, I am going to explain you our chapter 2nd, subject and predicate. Subject, it means karta, predicate, it means vidhe. Let's see what is subject and what is predicate. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, or thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. It means in every sentence we mention person, place, or thing, and we talk about these things. In the person, place, or thing, animal we mention is the subject. In a sentence, the person, place, thing, animal that we mention is called the subject of the sentence. Whatever we say about the person or thing is the predicate. और जो कुछ हम उसके बारे में कहते हैं, person, place, animal और thing जिसको हमने mention किया उसके बारे में जो भी बात हम कहते हैं, that is called the predicate of the sentence. The subject and predicate may each consist of one or many words. जो subject और predicate है दोनों में ही एक से ज़्यादा words हो सकते हैं. It is not compulsory that there is one word in the subject. There may be more than one word. Let's see some examples. Elephants are killed for their ivory tusks. जो एलिफेंट्स हैं उन्हें उनके जो टस्क होते हैं, जो दांत होते हैं यूजफुल, उनके लिए मारा जाता है. इन द सेंटेंस वी मेंशन अ एलिफेंट, so this is the subject of the sentence, and remain part that we are talking about are killed for their ivory tusk. This is the predicate of the sentence. Just like this, in second sentence, apples are a good source of iron. We are talking about apples. In this sentence, we are talking about apples. So, apples is the subject of the sentence, and are a good source of iron is the predicate of the sentence. The cup is made of silver. In this sentence, we are talking about the cup. So this is the subject of the sentence, and remain part is made of silver. This is the predicate of the sentence. She has bought the tickets. In this sentence, we are talking about she. So in this sentence, she is the subject, and has bought the tickets is the predicate of the sentence. In next example, the army had to cross a flooded river. In this sentence, we are talking about army. So, army is the subject of the sentence, and had to cross a flooded river. This is the predicate of the sentence. So, dear students, in a sentence, we talk about a person, place, animal, or thing. That is called the subject of the sentence. And whatever we say about that person, place, animal, or thing is called the predicate of the sentence. I hope you are getting. A predicate may have one word or many words. एक जो predicate है उसमें एक शब्द भी हो सकता है, एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. It must have a verb, but जो predicate होगा उसमें ये कंपलसरी होगा कि उसमें एक verb निश्चित रूप से होगी. डेफिनेटली एक verb का यूज़ किया जाएगा. Sometimes in sentence that express order or request, the subject is left out. Dear students, जो sentence होते हैं ऑर्डर और ऑर्डर और रिक्वेस्ट एक्सप्रेस करने वाले जो सेंटेंस होते हैं उनमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया जाता है. इन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो एंड इन आवर चैप्टर फर्स्ट आई टोल्ड यू दैट देर इज नॉट एनी सब्जेक्ट, ओनली द वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. शट द डोर, you can see here there is not any subject. It means you shut the door. यहाँ जो सब्जेक्ट है वो ओवर्ट है. इट मीन्स छिपा हुआ है, प्रकट नहीं किया गया है. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस द सब्जेक्ट इज you shut the door. Help me, it means you help me. So these type of sentence that express order or request, there is no subject Where there is no subject, you is the subject in the sentence. जहाँ ऑर्डर और रिक्वेस्ट को शो किया जाता है, जहाँ सब्जेक्ट नहीं दिया जाता है, ऐसे सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो यू होता है. In case of questions like interrogative sentence and exclamations, the subject can come after the predicate or are part of predicate. कुछ सेंटेंस जिनमें क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है या एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में जो सब्जेक्ट है वो प्रेडिकेट का पार्ट होता है या बाद में आता है. लेट्स सी एग्जांपल. वाओ, what a beautiful flower. In this sentence, this is an exclamatory sentence and we can see the sentence starts with the exclamatory word. What a beautiful, wow, what a beautiful flower. So, flower, we are talking about flower. So, flower is the subject of the sentence. Can you solve this sum? We are talking about you. So, you is the subject of the sentence. So dear students, it is not compulsory that subject comes at the starting in the sentence. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो सेंटेंस सब्जेक्ट है वो सेंटेंस की शुरू में आए. ये प्रेडिकेट का पार्ट भी हो सकता है या बाद में भी आ सकता है. To find out the subject in a sentence, you can ask the question what or who. हम जब सब्जेक्ट फाइंड करना चाहते हैं कि सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है तो हम क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं अपनी वर्ब के साथ में कि क्या या कौन. द आंसर वी गेट इज द सब्जेक्ट. और जो आंसर हमें मिलेगा वो क्या होगा, हमारे सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट होगा. लेट्स सी विद द एग्जांपल. शी हैज बॉट द टिकट्स. इन दिस सेंटेंस इफ वी आस्क अ क्वेश्चन विद अ वर्ब, who has bought the tickets? Tickets किसने खरीदी? The answer we get is she. So she is the subject of the sentence. Do you believe in ghost? In this sentence, if we ask a question, who believe in ghost? And the answer is you. So you is the subject of the sentence. In this manner, we can find out the subject in the sentence. Now let's see book exercise related to subject and predicate. Identify the subject and the predicate in each of the following sentence and write them in the space provided. It means you have to mention here and you have to identify subject and predicate. We should not spoil public property. In this sentence we are talking about we. हमें public property को spoil नहीं करना चाहिए. So in this sentence we are talking about we. We is the subject and should not spoil public property is the predicate. Did you like my present? Here in this sentence, this is an interrogative sentence. So you is the subject in this sentence and like my present is the predicate. My uncle works in the Indian Army. In this sentence, we are talking about my uncle. So it is the subject and works in the Indian Army is the predicate. Next is arrange your things properly. In this sentence, we are talking about your. So your is the subject and arrange things properly is the predicate. Rahul Dravid is a fine batsman. In this sentence, we are talking about Rahul Dravid. So, this is the subject and is a fine batsman is the predicate. How many oceans are there in the world? दुनिया में कितने oceans हैं? We are talking about there and are many oceans in the world. This is the predicate. Switch on the fan. As I told you, if there is a order or request, then you is the subject and switch on the fan. This is the predicate. Drive carefully. You drive carefully. You is the subject and drive carefully predicate. Can you solve the sum? We are talking about you. So you is the subject and can solve this sum. This is incredible. This is the subject, is incredible is the predicate. Honesty is the best policy. In this sentence, we are talking about honesty. So honesty is the subject and is the best policy is the predicate. Do you believe in ghost? If we ask a question, who believe in ghost, we get an answer, you. And so you is the subject, believe in ghost is the predicate. How deep this valley is. In this sentence, we are talking about valley. If we ask a question, what is deep? The answer we get, this valley. So this valley is subject, is deep is the predicate. Wash your hands. Here is the order, and as I told you, in order and request type sentence, you or your is the subject. So your and wash hand is the predicate. Mukesh Ambani is the richest person in India. Here we are talking about Mukesh Ambani, that is a person. So Mukesh Ambani is the subject and is the richest person in India is the predicate of the sentence. You have to do this book exercise in your book. I hope you have understand how you can identify subject and predicate. If you will practice, definitely you can do this. In our next video, we will discuss about elements of predicate. You have to watch this video carefully and write notes in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.